Imagine waking up to an extra $10,000 hitting your bank account every month, all while you sleep. Sound too good to be true? It's not. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 passive income ideas that can make this a reality for you in 2024. These aren't just pipe dreams. They're actionable strategies that can turn your financial goals into a sustainable income stream. Ready to find out how? Let's dive in. These passive income sources did require effort initially to establish, so they weren't entirely passive from the start. A couple of them were, but most weren't. They do take some work to build up, but once you reach a certain point and implement the right strategies, which I'll share with you in today's video, they can certainly become passive. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 of the best passive income sources available right now and exactly how to get started with them. These income sources are some of the best because they're easy to start. Most don't require a lot of capital upfront, and many have the potential to scale up to substantial amounts of money in the future. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, remote job opportunities, and side hustles. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's get back to the video. Passive income. Idea number 1. The first passive income source is on the website you're on right now, YouTube. Most people don't realize it, but YouTube is one of the greatest opportunities available to us in our time. The fact that we can simply upload videos to YouTube, which can potentially go viral, and earn money directly from the ads that YouTube places on the platform is absolutely incredible. Never before in history have we had the chance to leverage a platform like this. And it gets even better. The content we upload to YouTube can continue to receive views for years into the future. Plus, we can use it to promote other passive income sources that we'll discuss today, such as affiliate products or selling our own courses. So many different possibilities, all from a single YouTube channel. The videos live indefinitely and can continue to attract views for years. To drive this point home, over 40 million new users have joined YouTube and other digital platforms since 2020. Now think about this logically. Do you believe all of these people are creating content? No, most of them are consumers, watching content for entertainment or to learn new things. Only a minuscule fraction, about 0.001%, will actually create content, and an even smaller fraction of those will know how to create high-quality content that attracts a lot of views. You can learn those strategies, and by watching videos like this, you're heading in the right direction, learning the correct methods instead of guessing. This essentially means that there's still a huge opportunity for you and me on YouTube. You might be thinking, but isn't YouTube passive? Don't you have to keep uploading videos? Sure, if you want to attract new views and plant new seeds. But the old seeds you've already planted can continue to get views indefinitely as long as YouTube exists. So, it can become entirely passive once you've built up a backlog of evergreen content. With so many resources available today that lower the barrier to entry into YouTube, such as ChatGPT for script writing, AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs, easy video editing software like Power Director, and the ability to hire overseas talent at great prices. Not establishing a presence on YouTube right now, if it's something you're considering, is a huge mistake. If you're thinking about it, jump in and do it as soon as possible. Start planting those seeds. You'll thank me a year from now. And to create a YouTube channel, you don't even have to show your face like I'm doing now, although that can work incredibly well. Channels, such as Brainy Dose, which you can see here, get millions of views each month, and their content is mostly just stock footage with a voiceover on top. You can get stock footage from websites like Pexels, Dareful, and others, then edit the videos using free video editors like iMovie, if you're on Mac, the Power Director app. If you're on a phone, or if you use Windows, you can use HitFilm Express, OpenShot, or Shotcut. There are so many different niches or subcategories of content out there. So if you're interested in something, there's likely a YouTube community around it that you could join, and you could potentially even make a full-time income by creating videos about it. The sky's the limit regarding how much money YouTube channels can generate. Passive income. Idea number 2. The second passive income idea is affiliate marketing. You've likely heard of this concept before. It's simply a method where you promote someone else's product, and for every sale you refer, you earn a commission. This approach generates tens of thousands of dollars for me each month in recurring revenue because I promote software that people continue to pay for over time. Examples of such software include vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Now, you might wonder how these affiliates are promoting my program and other programs to make money through affiliate marketing. There are 2 primary types of traffic sources for affiliate marketing or selling anything online: free traffic and paid traffic. If you have more time than money, you'll definitely want to start with free traffic. On the other hand, if you have more money than time, it might be worth experimenting with paid traffic. In my opinion, the best form of free traffic is running YouTube channels. As I mentioned before, these videos can live indefinitely and continue to attract views, unlike other social media platforms. However, if you want to complement this with another source of traffic, you can consider starting an Instagram account. Eventually, you might even add your own website or blog. As for paid traffic, this could include YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and so on. Another free source of traffic worth mentioning is TikTok. If you produce short-form content, it's a good idea to distribute it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, while placing the affiliate product link in your bio on each platform. The math behind affiliate marketing is incredibly promising. If you secure just 20 sales per month with a $500 commission, you're earning $10,000 per month. That's far more than a full-time income for most people. As you can see, the potential for affiliate marketing is remarkably high. Passive income. Idea number 3. The third passive income source is a bit unconventional: no-code software. You're probably aware that software has made countless people incredibly wealthy over time. However, in the past, creating software required either being a tech wizard, knowing someone who was, or spending hundreds of thousands of dollars hiring developers to create something you hoped would be successful and attract a large user base. Today, however, new tools have emerged, such as Bubble.io, allowing people to create their own software without needing advanced technical knowledge. This trend is commonly known as no-code software. While there is a learning curve, it's nothing compared to learning how to code from scratch. You can dive into this topic further, as I have over the past few months, by searching for no-code software tutorials on YouTube. You'll find plenty of guides and case studies showing how people are making substantial income with software. One of the brilliant aspects of software is that it often generates recurring revenue, meaning people continue paying for it month after month. If you get 1,000 users, each paying $20 per month, that's $20,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And given how software company valuations work, a business like that could potentially sell for between $1 million and $2 million. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Passive income idea number 4. The fourth passive income source is something you'll want to consider once you begin earning money through some of the methods we've discussed. You'll need a place to store your earnings, and instead of opting for traditional bank accounts that offer little to no interest, you should look into something known as a high-yield savings account. This is a true form of passive income because all you need to do is deposit your money, and you'll receive a return each month based on how much you've saved. I've listed some of the bank accounts currently offering the highest interest rates on the screen. Keep in mind that these rates can change over time, so make sure to research current offerings. Also, ensure that the bank you choose is FDIC insured to protect your funds. If possible, opt for a larger bank to avoid potential issues with smaller banks that could be at risk of failing. Passive income idea. Number 5. Once you start generating substantial income from these passive income sources, it's time to move on to the fifth source. Investing. Investing is essential because it helps protect your money from losing value due to inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money over time, so investing becomes a way to maintain and grow your wealth. Another approach you can consider is dividend investing, where you invest in companies that offer higher dividend payouts. There are many great videos on YouTube that explain the math behind generating an extra $100 or $1,000 per month from dividend income over time. Like the high-yield savings account, this is also true passive income. However, before you dive into investing or opening a high-yield savings account, it's crucial that you first focus on building a business or honing a skill that will generate income in the first place. In my opinion, the best way to do this is by running a YouTube channel. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.